Hi, my name is Ryan Hurd. I'm the founder of Caregiver Smart Solutions. And today we're here with my dad because this is where it all started. So, let's go. Okay, like I said, we're here with my father. This is Tom Hurd. If you can't tell, a little bit of a resemblance. So, welcome. How are you doing?
Doing fine.
Excellent. So, you know, growing up, we are Jersey boys, right?
Correct.
Grew up in northern New Jersey. We've been very active. You've been working in the city, right? So how long were you working in New York City?
Worked in New York City for 12 years.
And that's in and out. I mean, I remember you leaving early in the morning and getting home late.
Yeah. Definitely in and out, managed a laboratory. And
I mean, we've been so active that we even built a house together. So we grew up in Wayne, and then we moved to another town, and we literally built a house. That took us, 7 years to do?
it took a while. When you're doing it yourself, it's without any trade help. You're working full time, you have to schedule extra time just to get out and work on the house.
And a lot of black thumbnails, right? Because we always used to hit ourselves, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, the point is that here we are. My father is, 70 plus years young. He's always been very, very active. Now, this started because he had cancer. So tell us about your cancer.
Well, in 2010, I developed non-Hodgkin's lymphoma and went through excessive chemotherapy. As my doctor mentioned to me, the chemo that I went through would kill a horse. 7 sessions of 5 different chemicals with toxin in one of them. Came out of that, and then the doctor said everything was fine.
Now, one thing that we did learn is he's tough as nails, but that experience obviously influenced myself. Now, I've been in the tech industry for 30 plus years now, specifically in smart home. I actually wrote the book on it called Join the Smart Home Revolution, and I'm known as the smart guy. And I figured when this happened, I could see how he's doing. And that's where I learned where on the market, there was nothing that dealt with aging or caregiving from a technology standpoint. It was all like technology from 1990s. I've fallen and I can't get up, some kind of a pull string. And I mean, quite frankly, I just wanted to know, are you up and moving around?
Right.
You just had an event of cancer, you're tough as nails, and you beat it. So that's what led me to start going down the role of Caregiver Smart Solutions. With Caregiver Smart Solutions, we're monitoring a bunch of things. We're monitoring, basically at the end of the day, your habits, because we're all creatures of habit. We get up about the same time, we go to the bathroom, we go make our coffee, we pick up something to eat, and we sit in front of the boob tube. That's our normal daily, routine. Well, one of the things that I learned, again, from my own experience, by having the first generation of Caregiver Smart Solutions in their home was the amount of times you take your medication.
Right.
It wasn't once or twice a day. It was, how many?
3 times a day. And it's specific times because of the chemo treatments that I went through. It was supported by different medications, and medications had to be taken at specific times so that it would continue the effort of killing the cancer.
So I have to say, I mean, by having Caregiver Smart Solutions, by developing this product, as you would say, and looking at your daily habits, there's a bunch of things that, I've learned. And at least for me, it's enabled me to have that conversation. What is this 1 o'clock? Why do you keep on going back for 1 o'clock? Is it medicine, or is it vitamins, or whatever? So again, my father, who is tough as nails, who has beat cancer not once but twice, and having the ability that I can look at an app and see how he's doing. Has he gotten up? Has he moved around? And God forbid if he has a fall, at least I will know. And it's unlike a pendant where we're asking them, worst case scenario, something really bad happens, I need you to push the button. This is so much better. This is a proactive solution. So this way, let's face it, we want you around as long as possible.
Yeah, and it's as you mentioned, Ryan, it's a lot better than a pendant system, because I've also suffered some heart systems or issues where I've had stents put in my veins to open them up and so that my blood can pass through them. And in a heart failure situation, you may not have time to hit that pendant, or you may not have time to hit anything else, yet the sensors that are all around the house can pick up movement or anything out of the ordinary and alert my caregiver right away.
Yeah, at least we'll know. I mean, would you wear a pendant? No.
No.
Well, there you go, right from the horse's mouth. So thank you very much. I appreciate you being on. I want everybody to know where and why Caregiver Smart Solutions exists. And hopefully this can give you some peace of mind for your family. So with that said, from our family to yours, Caregiver Smart Solutions.